How to increase volume in Audacity. So first go to Audacity, and then for example this is your audio and you want to increase the volume of it. Next is you can just click on your audio like so. Let's say your audio looks like this. You can just click on it to highlight all of it. Next is just click on effect there at the top, and then hover mouse over volume and compression, and then click on amplify. Here Audacity has a default for amplifying or increasing your volume. You can just click on apply here, and there you go. Now if you're not satisfied with this, you can just highlight it again, click on effect, go to amplify, and then you can just drag the slider here at the right to increase it more. It depends on you or on how much you want to increase it, or you can just type it in manually here. Okay, and then once you've done that, you can just click on apply. But once it's super or so much loud, or the volume is too much, the Audacity can't really change that anymore. So you can see the apply button here is grayed out, and there you go. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.